Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys are all having an awesome day investing today. What I thought I'd do today is talk a bit more about Stash Invest with regards to what the best option in their limited portfolio is to choose from. As you guys know, Stash Invest is much like Robinhood in that you can buy individual stocks and securities. Unlike Robinhood, however, it has a very limited selection of different portfolio options. There's only one stock you can choose and about 20 or so ETFs that you can choose. So, in going through all these, I think probably the best option is this Roll with Buffett. And again, this is simply a rebranded underlying security. You can see the underlying security in the middle there, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated Class B stock, ticker symbol BRK.B, trading at 158.99. I think by far this is the best option within the very limited portfolio that Stash Invest offers. The other one would be the blue chip stock option, which is an underlying Vanguard ETF. But I think for the most part, most investors will do very well with this Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated Class B. And since I'm talking about this stock with regards to Class B, a lot of you guys have been asking what the differences between the stocks are. So just very briefly, there are a couple of different types of main stock, common and preferred. Common is simply the stock we kind of think about trading on Robinhood. Preferred stock is more like corporate debt, kind of a hybrid stock bond, if you will. Typically, it entitles a shareholder to ownership of the company, a fixed dividend in many cases, but beyond that, there's not a lot of other rights that go along with shareholder ownership. And then there's a difference between Class A and Class B. Typically, these are common stocks. So common stock Class A, common stock Class B. And Class A stocks typically just have a few more rights with regards to shareholder rights, with regards to voting rights, dividend priority, and liquidation preference. So Class A shareholders have more voting rights. They can decide with the greater weight what happens within a company. And then if there is a dividend, typically these investors are given the dividend first. If there's leftovers, or however they proportion the dividend, Class B will get a share of those as well. And then if the company does go under or goes bankrupt, typically Class A shares are reimbursed at a higher rate than Class B. And it may be where Class A are reimbursed, and if there's leftover funds, then Class B are reimbursed. So there's some kind of minute differences there. With regards to Berkshire Hathaway, I don't believe there's a lot of difference. The only big difference is the price of the stock. Class A, Warren Buffett has said, will never split. So the price of that has grown to about $245,000 or so, which makes it kind of out of the reach of most investors. Also, it's hard to buy and sell that stock because the volume is very low. Class B was issued, so other investors can get access to the company with regards to stock ownership, and it's much more liquid. It's much easier to buy and sell a $159 stock than a $240-some thousand stock. So those are kind of the big differences between Class A, Class B, as well as common and preferred stocks. And again, I think the best underlying security here is the Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated Class B stock on Stash Invest. I also like this blue chip stock here as well. Like I said, these are just rebranded ETFs. As I said, this is a Vanguard Medicap ETF, just an underlying security here. MGC trading at 77.21. So I think those are probably the two best, with Berkshire Hathaway being the best. So yeah, just kind of wanted to talk about Stash Invest with regards to the best portfolio options. Let me know what you guys have on Stash Invest, if you think there's a better stock on Stash Invest. And yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel, trying to learn about investing. Hopefully you guys have been learning along with me. And until next video, we'll see you then.